Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're at Crane Landing in North Fort Myers, and we're doing a model preview tour of the Bennett Townhome. The Bennett Townhome is about 1,350 square foot, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and you get the 1-car garage as well. Let's walk inside and take a look at this model here. So as we come inside the front door, directly to my right, that's going to be your garage entry right here. Right across from that, you have your powder room here with your single sink, as well as the commode. And then that opens up nicely into your great room space here with your dining area, your kitchen off to the side here. Your laundry space is right down here in the kitchen. So you do have plenty of room for a full-size washer and dryer, as well as some additional storage space above. Got a nice pantry right there in the corner. And then right over here underneath the stairs going the bedroom area, you have a nice storage space here, which they have tastefully decorated as a nice little pet station. And you've got your nice great room sitting space here off that as well, and access out to your patio space. Now going upstairs, that's where you're gonna find all of the bedrooms. So as we get to the top of the staircase here, directly to our left are going to be the guest bedrooms. So right down this hallway here, you have the first guest bedroom here. Then you have guest bedroom number 2 right there. And directly across, you have the guest bathroom with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And last but not least, we have the master bedroom. Nice little walk-in closet here. This is a king-size bed for perspective. And then you have the master bath. With your dual sinks, you've got another closet right here in the bath. You have your water closet there, and then you have your full-size shower here as well. All right, folks, so if you're interested in the Bennett Townhome, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.